Okay, my camera is right there. Um, I would like to introduce you to my new roommate. This guy is gonna help me with a whole bunch of Blender stuff. Sorry, I keep looking at myself. I'm right here and then you're right here. But anyway, let's see if I can do this while holding my little phone here. Bum, 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 bum. Ta-da! That's probably the wrong tune for what I'm trying to do. As some of you might know, I have attempted a course a couple times now called Skullface, and it hasn't gone the way that I wanted it to go, and partly because I cannot find any good photos, even good paid photos of a skull, just the same skull from the front and then from the side. Now, there are plenty of skulls online from the side or from the front, but they're different skulls and they're different angles, colors, and shapes and all of that stuff. And so I was a little fed up with that, and that's not the only reason. I mean, I did create a skull, but it was more of a stylized type of skull. It wasn't like all that realistic, but it was useful. You can still use it. So I thought, I just need to buy myself a skull so that I can take as many pictures as I want. And it's of the same skull, so it's going to be this one here. I don't want to pick it up too much here because it's a little bit broken. I don't know if that's because of the shipping, but I just got this today. So you can see his jaw is a little bit broken, but that's okay. Jaws break. You have cracks and stuff on your skull. But this is actually not from my understanding, it's not a Halloween type of thing, which is what I was going for. This is more like a display. So I think it's like a hanging type of display. I'm not sure, but this is a whole skeleton. We've got the rest of it. We've got the hip. I think this is a hip bone. But these are solid. This is great. I got this on eBay. Someone was selling this on eBay. But these are like hefty. They're not like, they're plastic. Obviously, they're plastic, but they're like a hefty plastic. They're not hollow. This is like, if I cut this open, it feels like solid inside. That's pretty heavy. And so there you go. You got the rest of the bones. You got the spine. You can see down there. And then here's this little thingamajigger, a poster. It's rolled up. I can't unroll it here, but it just tells you skeletal system. It's just like a educational anatomy type of thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to put this together, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with the skeleton doing a whole bunch of different effects, not just the skull face course that I'm probably going to try to make again, but we're going to have a whole bunch of fun making a whole bunch of different effects using bones, the hand bones and the foot bones connected to the toe bones. Yeah, so help me come up with a name. Oh, and his jaw's breaking more. I got to make sure I'm not agitating this. I gotta figure out how to make sure that doesn't break more than it already is. He's lost a couple teeth, you can see there too. So he will be featured in a lot of upcoming tutorials. Here, let's switch this back around. So most of these are gonna be on BlenderFrenzy.com. The Plus and the Pro for extra tutorials. I will put some of these tutorials out on my free YouTube channel just so you can see maybe how I make the skull and all of that stuff. And then if you want more further VFX and the kind of things you can do with them, you can just join there. Go to BlenderFrenzy.com and become a member today. You got 3 choices: Freebies, Plus, and Pro. That's free. $5 a month, $10 a month. You get a whole bunch of other stuff. Go there and check it out. Until then, you'll see me in the next one.